Hey, fellow food explorers, welcome back to my page. Today, we're diving into a topic hotter than freshly cooked rice. We're gonna talk about Anli rice and its connection with diabetes. Picture this, you're at a buffet with rice plates stretching to infinity. Suddenly, a mysterious voice asks, Mahilig ka ba sa Anli rice? And you, my friend, channeling your inner rice warrior, reply, Of course. Is there a problem? Did you know? Too much white rice is a risk for developing type 2 diabetes. But before we delve into that, let me mention that diabetes has two common forms, type 1 and type 2. Type 1 diabetes is like yung my genetic factor. It's in your blood talaga. Yung normal cells mo magiging abnormal and they will attack insulin-producing cells in the pancreas. Ang resulta, decreased or no insulin production, thereby resulting to high blood sugar. While type 2 is more lifestyle related and it's more of having insulin resistance. This simply means that you have insulin in your body, but your body is not responding to it. Why? Because of too much fat, carbohydrates, or sugar intake. So, be careful with Anli rice. Baka ma-type 2 ka. And you know what? There's a study which shows that those who love white rice are 1.5 times more prone to develop type 2 diabetes compared to those who don't eat much. So, if you want to avoid diabetes, try shifting to brown rice. Masarap din and healthier. Of course, we can eat white rice, but in moderation. 2/3 of a cup per meal is okay. Kaya ba? Kakayanin. Let's avoid diabetes by making healthier choices, okay?